Hi, I'm Darren with Living Water. Are you removing grass? Here's a better alternative. This is Kurapia. Kurapia is my favorite grass alternative. Kurapia is the best drought-tolerant grass alternative. Kurapia is great with foot traffic, and it can be planted with micro clover if you wanted to self-fertilize. Kurapia stays green all year, and it comes in white and a pink flower variety. Kurapia only needs to be trimmed a few times a year. Micro clover is a great option if you have pets. It's immune to urine and only has to be trimmed 3 to 4 times a year. This is Star Carpet. Star Carpet doesn't need a lot of water at all. It's great in the shade or in full sun, and it doesn't require any mowing on top. All grass alternatives are going to use less water than regular grass. They are lower maintenance, they stay green all year, and they don't absorb heat, unlike turf. If you want Living Water to install any of these grass alternatives in your yard, give our office a call to schedule your free consultation.